Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. In this video we're out exploring the Franklin Islands and kind of around the Parry Sound area and stuff like that. So absolutely gorgeous day out here. Wind might be a bit of an issue, but we'll see. We're hopefully going to hide in these bays here like this, so it shouldn't be too bad. But yeah, let's get out there and explore and see what we can find. So come along with us. Hope you enjoy, and we'll see you out there. Well guys, we've made it to Franklin Island. So now we're just kind of gonna pop in and out of the bays and see what we can find. Explore this place, see what it looks like. So we're just gonna dig around and check out this beauty. So hope you enjoy. Can't hear a thing in here. Well, I mean, you can't, but I mean, it's dead quiet. Incredible. Just these little bays. Incredible. I gotta stop saying incredible. I don't know if you guys can see it through the glare, but there's all these minnows circling my boat. Alright, let's take this ledge at a bit of a deeper angle here. Look at it. Cut everything off. Should be able to go right over there. Perfect. Well, we've landed. Interesting. Oh, there's a bridge. So, makeshift bench and possible fire pit. That's Georgian Bay out there. Wow. Yeah, let's go up, try to go up to the point here. Wow. Guys, look at this view. Wow, incredible. Well, that was a really cool island to explore there. So we're gonna just keep going, see what we can find. It's a beautiful day, a bit overcast, but I mean, we'll take it. So we're gonna head that way and just see if we can find some more cool bays. Man, I love coming up here. It's so beautiful, absolutely incredible. But you do have to pay a lot of attention, right? You gotta make sure you're picking your routes and stuff like that. But you do not want to crash up here. No one around. All right, guys, let's keep going.